first simple habit for a tidy home is to make sure everything should have a designated place in your home. When belongings lack a designated spot, maintaining cleanliness becomes an uphill battle. This is especially crucial when managing a household with kids and pets. The key lies in regular decluttering, an ongoing process often misunderstood. Decluttering isn't a one-time event, but a continuous effort to prevent the accumulation of excess items. Embrace the notion that it's a lifestyle, not a singular task. By having this mindset, you avoid reaching the point of overwhelming clutter and create a sustainable routine. Number 2. Decluttering your living space is similar to solving a math equation. If there isn't enough room for everything, the options are limited. Either expand the space, which is usually impractical, or pare down possessions. The misconception here is thinking decluttering is a once-and-done task. Reality dictates otherwise. It's an ongoing process. Without a strategic system, clutter inevitably creeps back in. Establishing a routine or system ensures continuous decluttering, preventing the buildup of excess items. Over time, this approach transforms into a manageable and efficient lifestyle. Whether you have kids, pets, or a bustling household, the key lies in implementing a personalized system that aligns with your unique family dynamics. Number 3. You are unique. Often, people attempt to adopt one-size-fits-all solutions, mimicking others' methods. However, success hinges on individualized plans that resonate with your family's dynamics. Avoid the pitfall of blindly copying others. Instead, invest time in creating a customized routine that suits your specific needs. If you're seeking guidance, workshops that help build personalized routines can be invaluable. These provide insights into developing systems that align seamlessly with your lifestyle. Remember, it's about finding what works uniquely for your family, fostering a sense of order and control. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 4. Baskets, laundry baskets, and bins emerge as unsung heroes in maintaining a tidy home. The goal is to accomplish as much as possible in one go. Using baskets to collect items from different rooms, creating a centralized hub for misplaced belongings. Instead of making multiple trips, gather everything at once and relocate them to their designated spaces. This method eliminates excuses for procrastination. Harness the power of baskets and bins to streamline your efforts, making the decluttering process more manageable. By optimizing your approach, you instill a sense of order and discipline in the organization of your living space. Number 5. Less is more. An overwhelming array of toys can hamper attention spans, hinder creativity, and impede a child's responsibility in maintaining order. Implementing a rotation system where toys are periodically swapped ensures kids engage with a curated selection. This strategic approach fosters a deeper connection to their belongings and cultivates a sense of responsibility. While it might seem counterintuitive, a more minimalist approach to toys contributes to a harmonious living environment for both children and adults. Number 6. Empowering kids to contribute to household chores not only lightens the load for parents, but also serves as a crucial aspect of their development. Studies suggest that children who engage in chores are more likely to succeed in adulthood. Shift the narrative around chores from being a punishment to a valuable contribution to the family unit. Emphasize the concept of teamwork within the family, reinforcing the idea that everyone plays a role. By fostering a team mentality, you instill a sense of responsibility and pride in children, setting a foundation for their future success. The key is to view the family as a cohesive unit, working together towards shared goals. Number 7. Incorporating the habit of doing laundry daily is a game changer, especially in larger households. While smaller families might not feel the same urgency, managing a growing number of family members necessitates a more proactive approach. Designating a specific day for laundry may seem convenient, but life's unpredictability can disrupt this schedule. Daily laundry ensures that the workload remains manageable and prevents the dreaded pileup. This approach aligns with the philosophy of staying ahead of the curve, addressing tasks promptly to maintain a semblance of order. By weaving this habit into your daily routine, you create a more sustainable and efficient system for managing household chores. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 8. The concept of a 10-minute tidy. The beauty of the 10-minute tidy lies in its simplicity. Dedicate a short burst of time to tidying up, eliminating the daunting prospect of a marathon cleaning session. Timers, whether analog or digital, serve as effective tools to enhance focus and productivity. The ticking clock creates a sense of urgency, eliminating distractions and promoting efficiency. Embrace the power of the timer to infuse structure into your cleaning routines, making the process more manageable and less overwhelming. Number 9. Clearing kitchen counters of clutter may seem trivial, but it significantly contributes to a tidier and more organized home. A clutter-free counter creates visual harmony, making any misplaced item stand out. This visual cue serves as a gentle reminder to promptly return items to their designated places. The habit of maintaining clear counters discourages the accumulation of miscellaneous items and fosters a sense of order. By implementing this straightforward practice, you eliminate the subconscious acceptance of clutter, creating an environment that promotes cleanliness and a more serene living space. Number 10. Maximizing productivity during mundane tasks, like cleaning the bathroom, can be achieved by multitasking. Utilizing the time your children spend in the tub or while you're in the shower to clean the bathroom is a practical and efficient approach. Whether it's wiping surfaces, cleaning grout, or decluttering cabinets, these moments offer valuable pockets of time. By integrating small cleaning tasks into your daily routine, you transform idle periods into productive opportunities. This strategy minimizes the impact on your schedule while ensuring that essential household chores are consistently addressed. Making the most of these brief intervals contributes to a more streamlined and effective cleaning routine. Number 11. Investing in the right cleaning tools and products can significantly expedite the cleaning process. The analogy of having the right tool for the job resonates strongly in the realm of household chores. A high-quality vacuum, efficient mop, and specialized cleaning products tailored to different surfaces make the task at hand more manageable. For instance, a reliable steam cleaner can be a game changer, particularly for grout and areas prone to mold. Identifying tools that align with your cleaning preferences and needs streamlines the process, rendering it more effective and less labor-intensive. The right products, when coupled with appropriate tools, create a winning combination for a cleaner and tidier home. Before I reveal the top 3 habits, let's share some knowledge. Drop your best habits for a tidy home in the comments below, which might help others learn and grow. Number 12. Shoe bins. Children, in particular, may not adhere to meticulously arranging shoes in a neat line. Shoe bins offer a compromise, providing a designated space where shoes can be effortlessly tossed in. This approach embraces a realistic view of children's behavior while still maintaining order. The key is to choose systems that simplify rather than complicate. Shoe bins exemplify this principle by offering a hassle-free alternative that aligns with the habits of younger family members. The result is a more accessible and practical solution to keeping entryways tidy. Number 13. Labeling bins and drawers proves invaluable. For kids who can read, clear labels serve as reminders of where items belong, fostering independence. Alternatively, for younger children, incorporating picture labels can effectively communicate the intended use of each container. This practice aids in creating a sense of order and clarity, reducing the likelihood of items being misplaced. By empowering children to recognize and follow the labeling system, you instill a valuable habit that contributes to overall tidiness. The ultimate goal is to streamline the process, making it both efficient and accessible for all members of the household. Number 14. Establishing a designated snack area. The concept revolves around granting kids autonomy within certain boundaries. By creating a designated snack zone, children can independently access pre-approved snacks without constant parental intervention. This not only reduces the burden on parents, but also instills a sense of responsibility in children. The key is to strike a balance between accessibility and control. Designing a snack area ensures that kids have choices while still adhering to predetermined guidelines. This approach not only streamlines snack time, but also fosters independence and self-regulation in children. There you have it, 14 simple habits for a tidy home. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.